I'm already live. Okay. I didn't even click live, but okay. Perfect. Let's try to extend it ours and see where this ended up at. Alright, so we're still above it. I was saying to my friends yesterday that if we finish above this line, we're going to probably be bullish today. And it looks like it held after hours, so if it drops at all and it holds here, I'm still bullish. But you may even see it jump just straight from here on the Qs. Let me get my notes open. Let's start with the normal. Let's go to Q, actually. Let's do that one. It's got high. All I did was mark yesterday low, yesterday's high, which lines up with the close about, which the close is the high, but just going to leave that number there. Open. Alright, so Q, Q, Q. Alright, that's all I'm going to type for Qs. I wasn't going to make actual levels. Looking bullish as long as we stay above 268 to 269s. Clear. Yesterday's low is about 135. So Beyond normally follows the same direction. After ERs, that's the only reason I'm doing Beyond. I don't normally do post ER, but for Beyond, I'm going to. I'm not gonna force a play on it today, but if I can get a good scalp or day trade out of it today, I'll be happy. Let's just move this here. Still gonna mark a bullish scenario though. We're gonna say 135. Target 2, 142.15. Below. What's this level? Target 2. Back that out. What's this? Damn, 127 is an insane level. Morning, everyone tuning in. Just doing our daily pre-market watch the stream. Only thing different about this one is I won't be joining the normal voice chat afterwards. We'll be joining the premium voice chat, which is every Wednesday. QQQ is also seemingly bouncing off midline of rising channel and right above previous high. Good eye, Jeremy. High LDC square after hours. I did not. Holy Back that out. I was just drawing this line for fun. It even caught support on the old high. You might see a continued run on square. May see continued rally. That's a better word. ET's opening at $7. That's amazing. I just left the note on square. I didn't do any levels. $171. Target 2. I like where BA is sitting. BA can run too. Below 166.50. Alright, so this is what I have so far. My bad, I just saw your question. Would you call square a possible 3-bar play? On that one time frame, maybe. What I would wait for on square, in my personal opinion, is... Hold up. I was going to mark this, but that candle's above it now. Is I would mark this line here. Got under the 5-minute. Okay, yeah. So you have a clear picture here. Draw this line here. That's your break above. That's your true all-time high, so you need to remember where that is. Like, you know, you need to see where if a wick stops there or something. Because if a wick stops, like, right here, you know, right on this line, that's pretty resilient for it to go back down. But, it looks like it wants to continue up, though, after that rise. So I would look for price to bounce past this with volume, or to come back down and then come back up for a bigger one-directional play. So I'd look for this entry with volume, of course, or this entry with volume. Either one, you gotta look for volume. Rising volume. That's what you want to look for, no matter what. You can turn your color to symbol ticks just like this. Let's do NVIDIA. Clear. Let's back this out. Let's draw our trend line. Just to have it there. Zoom this in. Let's mark this peak. Just marking all the resilient levels. Got the peak here, got the peak here, got the break above here. Now let's mark our normal pre-market levels. Let's mark the open. The close is the high. Pre-market high. Pre-market low is already broken. And the low. Which we can move this one down more. A lot of things are at their peaks, so you're going to be looking for them to break their all-time highs to go back up more. I'll type this one in all caps. Above all-time high with volume. Let's back that out. Below, see, this is a tough one. So I could just mark here, but that's a little too close because easy chance it breaks 448 before open. Let's just remove both of these. Let's leave that one. Let's go for this level since you have resistance, turn support. So I'm going to go for that 446.75. Target. Let's mark this level too just because this is NVIDIA. 443.30s. Alright, 1 second. This is the list I have so far. Oh, my bad, Helder. Can you do NVAX? I don't know if I'll put it on the list. I'll go over it, though. I remember this old thing. Except I remember her when she was down here. And down here. And towards the end of this. I didn't get to be a part of this gap, which it literally just filled that. Actually, that's what I would look for, Helder. Look for this gap fill. It'll probably keep running another $8 just because. I could do Microsoft and Facebook right next. Rick, sorry about that. I missed Helder's message. But yeah, Helder, if you're still here, I would look for the gap fill. Still follow your, analysis though, because you do have higher highs being made every single time. Now these are from gaps, so you gotta be careful. Watch those gap ranges. Keep them marked. Those are going to be your strongest supports on the way back down. But watch price, volume, and reaction to this level. I think it'll be good. Let's do Facebook now. Clear. Let's do the high. The open. The low and the close. And then we got our pre-market high, which is about right here. I'm not going to mark it though. Man, our pre-market levels are kind of crap today. Seems like a lot of them are getting overextended and then dropped. So we're having to adjust our analysis here. This is about to reach extended hours low, 249. I'd see how rejection of this level is too. If you're looking at Facebook, see how it hits the 249.80s. If it's a good rejection, like you saw me say on NVIDIA, you'll get a good seller volume here, which will be great because you don't need to trade the first 10 minutes. Trying to find a clean break below. I don't want to force. I want to do that one because it lines up with that, lines up with this, and it has the resistance before it pops. But it doesn't get this W down here. So I'm kind of wanting to do this. Mark that as my low. Back out the time frame, find another support. That's my problem though. All the supports are taken up. See, my lines that I marked with yesterday's information lines up with both of these peaks, so can't mark those. See this one. Oh, we do got this gap level though. Perfect. That's the gap one. All right, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm just gonna say 250. Below. Target 3, 245.60. I just like to have every line marked because these are 4 lines I could bounce from. I'm personally bullish on everything. I think Facebook, Microsoft, and Apple are all going to lead the way in rallying up again. So watch all those. Microsoft clear. All right, let's do. Damn, Microsoft's going insane right now. Something come out? No. Low, high, pre-market high. All right. Yeah, I have a good feeler on the price already. Let's load this over here. Let's back this out, make sure we're not missing anything. Oh, look at this. I could just clear the drawing set. Got our double top here. Got our other peak here. Happens to be 2 of the strongest resistances on the screen. Which price is at this peak right now. Looks like they want to head towards the other one, though. Mark that line. Extend it to the left. I like that it's this gap as well as the pre-market low. You line up with this gap and it has a support on it over here, and it looks like every single time it exits this zone, there's a fall, except right here. So that's the only thing on that one. We'll mark that support though. Below 212.80. Oh, damn, I didn't get the thing from Jonathan yesterday. So, different kind of list today. We can keep going, or I'll leave it up here for a second, and then we'll go through a couple more if y'all want. Where's my phone? Yeah, we can do Roku. If anybody needs to see the list again, just ask me. I'll throw it back up. It's clear. I think I was just marking that crazy squeeze it was stuck in that whole time. It amazes me that it's just doing this the whole time. And I'm on the hourly, so this is a good amount of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 days. So 2 weeks. Over 2 weeks of trading days, though. It's damn near 3 weeks of trading days. See how it reacted to this. Oh, it's on the support right now for Roku. What do you know? I love the 1 hour chart. Get a good uptrend here as well. But yeah, you were literally catching support on the level to create a higher high. So if support is held here into open and you get some blue volume, I almost promise this runs. Ow, my arm. Oh, hey, Helder. I don't know if you saw my NVAX analysis. Let's go look at a few others. ET gonna open past 7. That's awesome. We called a swing on this. Well, I called a swing on this like 100 times, but called it pretty low. Stock's been kind of fun to play lately. Is it really easily swingable stock here? Just get a bunch of time. Should be good. Look at it riding that support. I actually had this drawn, I think, as soon as it did this, because I wanted to see how it reacted to the 6th level. Microsoft just took off from earlier, or is it the same candle? Let's see. Oh, no, it took off more. Again, do they have any news? No, okay. Bulls are just really strong this morning. I'm not listening to Benzinga live right now, but I'm sure it's talking about Microsoft right now. See how it hits this level, though, because you have a long wick right here. Let's back it out a little. Resistance, support. So that's why this level's here. Damn, Microsoft look clean. Dude, Apple's looking a little explosive just because it's not doing anything. But it's not dropping either. I like that it pushed up this high and catch that support. Confirming twice that it's there. So 433 is a very strong level. Looks like Apple desperately needs to break that 443 though. Apple got downgraded, you think? Let's see. It might show it here. Bank of America downgrades Apple to neutral. That's okay. That's better than them saying they're downgrading Apple from 440, 430s to $200 a share. So from buying to neutral, that's okay. That's an okay downgrade. I don't know if any of you got to catch that. The big talk between the big tech CEOs from Amazon, Google, Apple, and Facebook. That was crazy. They were more heated on Mark Zuckerberg than anybody. That was crazy, though. It was kind of fun to watch. All right, I'm going to download this list real quick. Lists 4 and 5. I'm going to post the list in chat real quick. My stomach started talking to me kind of early. All right, what are y'all saying in here? I got all that posted. Can you make a video on your settings to set up TOS once you have a chance? Do you mean? Because I've had very many people ask me this, but it's such a broad question. I don't know what y'all mean. Do you mean like from when you actually open your TOS account and you're just loading TOS for the first time? Because I'd have to make a new account to go do that. I could do that, I guess, if you wanted a video on it that bad. Two, or do you just mean like, some fun, good to know settings, all in one on one video? Because I am in the process of making that video. What I'm doing is I'm writing down all the questions people are asking, and then I'm finding them really quick in TOS, and then I'm going to just have a bunch of like either small clips put together or just a big video of me going through like 100 settings or something like that. Whether it's to get the toolbar on the screen, how to change any appearance settings, how to change any of these settings where you have this stuff here. It's kind of whatever y'all want. I just got to know exactly what y'all want. Yes, all in one video. Okay. Yeah, that's being made. So I got you on that one as soon as it's made. I didn't realize there's so much demand for TOS videos either. Seems like a lot of people just download TOS and try to get used to it and don't ever get used to it, which is okay. I understand that. At least you're trying. But that's all I ever did to learn this system is just getting on here and just bet setup for option setup and stuff. Okay, I could definitely do that. That ain't a problem. I thought you were going to say, like, do it as soon as you open your account, because I was like, fuck. I use TradingView. TradingView is amazing, too, dude. I ain't going to lie. They have a very beautiful site. And if you look, all the people who take charts, like exporting charts for their websites, they use TradingView. They don't use TOS. They use TradingView to take their charts. Like Benzinga Pro, I was seeing my friend Tin Man stream his little sweeps and all that stuff in chat. And the charts were literally TradingView. They were just taking them from TradingView. Not taking them. I'm sure there was some permission or setup meeting or something, but it's just crazy how much they get exported over everyone else. Even on Forex sites, you'll see the charts be exported from TradingView. It's pretty crazy. TradingView is definitely popular, and they will probably always will be as long as they stay their own. That'd be crazy if TradingView was to sell out to somebody. If you're on TradingView, you don't really have to convert. I really wouldn't even blame you if you stayed on there. But if you would like to come over to TOS, it is another little thing you got to tinker with. It's definitely a lot to take in at once, but in pieces, it's not so bad. No, I definitely wouldn't call you lazy for using TradingView, not wanting to learn Thinkorswim. I didn't want to learn this shit at first. I'm not gonna lie. I used StockCharts.com. I didn't even use TradingView. So when I saw TradingView, I was like, holy shit. Because StockCharts is like old school. I don't know how it looks now, but it definitely was like, it didn't have any settings. Like if you wanted to change something, you had to know what the hell you were going to type. But StockCharts.com was awesome. That's where I learned Ichimoku first. I jumped into trading, and then I saw options were a thing, and I was like, holy shit, like this is kind of cool. You can use this to make money on this, and you don't have to use as much to make more. Just got to keep your risk reward tight. Yeah, I would say at least use TradingView or TOS. Those are the two I would force people towards. Weeble's starting to have a better system, but I don't want to push people towards Weeble just yet. What's another one? Stock charts I like. I'll have to go check out what they look like now. Bar Chart Premier is pretty cool. They have some live charts. Those might be from TradingView as well, though. I don't think they are. Oh shit, I need to open this. TOS or TV? Oh, I thought you meant like television. That was like a funny question. Thanks for the watchers every day, Bueller. It's a hey, what's up? It's the TradeMate family. Damn, is your name Kevin too? I know a bunch of Kevins. I know a bunch of Kevins, Tanners. Oh, the list goes on. Actually, now that I see Ricky's name, I know there's like 10 Rickies. Damn, well, thank you guys for keeping the chat so active today. That was kind of fun. Going back and forth. I'm not always able to stare at this. Damn, I'll go look at Square. Or do you mean missed out on the jump? Yeah, that sucks. I knew TradeMate when they didn't have any people. Ben Pippin was in my chat before that chat even was born. And then I remember him finding that other dude and they blowing up. It's good for them. Happy for Ben Pippin. My boy John. Oh, there's a shit ton of Johns too, actually, now that I say that. I know at least 6 Johns in the trading world. Take care, Kev. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate you. 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream, actually. We'll end it on that note. That was a good note to end it on. Appreciate everyone being here. I'm going to be in the premium access voice chat today, so if you're a normal member of the Bueller Buys chat, please just focus on your own, or I might have somebody go drop off in live chat if y'all want to chill in there. Let's get this. See you guys in there.